Hey everyone, it's your favorite content creator here, diving into a pretty spicy topic today, YouTube Shorts and their real impact on your channel. Can these bite-sized videos actually be a double-edged sword? Let's find out. So here's the deal, YouTube Shorts. They're quick, they're catchy, and they seem like a surefire way to skyrocket those subscriber numbers, right? But here's the million-dollar question. Are those subscribers sticking around for your longer content, or are they just hit-and-run viewers? First off, the good stuff. Shorts are incredible for visibility. We're talking about a platform that promotes these videos aggressively. That means more eyes on your content and potentially faster growth in subscribers. That's the dream, isn't it? But hold on, let's not pop the champagne just yet. Now, onto the flip side. These subscribers, they came for quick entertainment, a fast laugh or a swift tip. But when it comes to your 10-minute videos, your vlogs or your deep dives, will they hang around? This is where the water gets murky. From my experience and from what I've heard from many of you, there's a noticeable disconnect. Subscribers from Shorts might not transition well to your long-form content. It's like throwing a party where half the guests only came for the appetizers and left before the main course. Here's where strategy kicks in. If you're going all in on Shorts, think about how these can complement your main content. Can you use Shorts as a teaser, a trailer, or even a behind-the-scenes look that hooks viewers for the longer episodes? That's your bridge. To sum it up, Shorts are not the enemy, but they're not the one-stop solution to YouTube fame either. Like any tool, it's all about how you use it. Balance is key. Mix it up with longer videos that retain depth and provide more substantial content to keep your audience engaged and craving more. All right, that's it for today. If you've been experimenting with Shorts, drop your experiences in the comments. Let's learn from each other and keep growing together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights like this.